Welcome. My name is Jessica Lee, Program Leader of the Master of Social Work program at PolyU. This program is hosted by the Department of Applied Social Science. We are a big team of social workers who are available to meet you in the coming year. I think it is really important to know the philosophical basis of social work. What is social work? According to the International Federation of Social Workers, social work is a practice-based profession and an academic discipline that promotes social change and development, social cohesion, and the empowerment and liberation of people. Principles of social justice, human rights, collective responsibility, and respect for diversity are central to social work. Underpinned by theories of social work, social science, humanities, and indigenous knowledge, social work engaged people and structures to address life's challenges and enhance well-being. What is our educational philosophy at PolyU? To learn and to apply for the benefits of mankind is our PolyU motto. To nurture students to become effective practitioners in social work profession with a strong commitment to pursuing scholarship in practice is our PolyU MSW educational philosophy. What expectation do we have on our MSW students? Upon completion of the program, students will be able to, first, to acquire a contextualized understanding of social work practice in the political, economic, and social context of Hong Kong and Chinese mainland. Second, students are also expected to develop humanistic values, commitments of professional social workers in order to acquire both the qualities and the ability to deal with the competing values and ethical dimensions of decision-making, and also the capacities to address tensions, uncertainties, and conflicts arising from the decision-making process. Third, our students can integrate a broad foundations of knowledge with the professional knowledge and skills of social work practice in order to resolve problems with clients in specific service settings. And finally, can develop the attitudes and methods required to continue to learn, change, and growth as a person and as a professional. Let's have an overview of our program. The MSW program at PolyU is a 3-year part-time degree program hosted by the Department of Applied Social Science. Across these 3 years, you have 11 subjects to study, and you also undertake 2 fieldwork placements, which are 400 hours each, in addition to approximately 110 hours for preparatory workshops. Remember, the normal durations of study is 3 years. The tuition fee for this program is $256,800 per program for local students and $330,200 for non-local students. I'm delighted to let you know our MSW program has been awarded some praises of fellowship by the University Grants Committee through the Targeted Toward Postgraduate Programs Fellowship Schemes. It means some students admitted in the coming year will be subsidized by a maximum amount of $120,000 for doing MSW program at PolyU. The award of the fellowships will be based on merit, taking into account the student academic achievement, professional qualifications, relevant working experience, and achievements in other areas, as well as the proposals submitted by the students with special attention to their personal statements on how they can contribute to the priority areas of Hong Kong after completing the program. You can apply to study social work. Here you will see the entrance requirements. If you have a bachelor degree from an institution that is recognized by PolyU, you met the basic entrance requirements. In case your degree was awarded by an institution where the medium of instruction is not English, you have to demonstrate your English proficiency through the results of TOEFL and IELTS. You might like to study our MSW program because of the 6A: accessibility, accreditation, and opportunity for career advancement, accommodating program structure, a strong team of teachers, and the appreciation from alumni and current students. You can easily get access to our PolyU campus by the rail lines, like 50 minutes from Shatin and Tuma rail line, 25 minutes from Yunnan, by bus near the Cross Harbour Tunnel, 10 minutes from Central, or by taxi or on foot, taking 5 minutes walk to Tsim Sha Tsui. The vigor and the professional standard of our MSW program are well recognized, and the program is accredited by the Hong Kong Social Workers Registration Board. Our graduates are eligible to apply for the status of registered social workers in Hong Kong through the board. The recent alumni survey data indicate the employment rate of our graduates was 100%. Over 60% got salary increment, and 70% had career advancement. Actually, there are a wide range of careers in social work. Lots of our graduates have been working in services for young people, rehabilitation services, services for the elderly, family and child welfare services, community development, etc. As I mentioned, social work is a career where the demand for graduates is pretty strong. Therefore, the demands on teachers is also stringent. Thankful, we have a strong team of teachers who devote themselves in social work training with their solid practice and research experience in various fields, such as mental health, elderly services, family and child care services, community work, family services, youth work, services for offenders and drug abusers. We also have teachers from the disciplines of psychology, philosophy, sociology, and laws, offering students holistic training environment. In recent years, a couple of professors and their teams were awarded by the university and the University Grants Committee for their outstanding contributions to student learning and teaching. Our teachers also have a strong research background whose research expertise covers a wide range of areas which are relevant to the social service development locally and globally. We are also proud of our accommodating program structures. Across these 3 years, a wide range of courses prepares you for practice as a social worker by giving you skill and knowledge. Students normally need to attend 1 to 3 courses each semester to accomplish 36 credit units of study. The first year program provides students a good foundations of social work through 6 courses. The second year of training puts emphasis on the consolidation and applications of knowledge through the first fieldwork placement and a number of practice-related courses. And the last years of education focuses on critical reflections of social work through the second placement and the integrated seminar. We provide you a list of elective courses, and you can attend one in any semester. I would suggest you to take your elective course in the second semester or the summer of the first years of study, then you can concentrate doing your fieldwork placements in the second and the last years. Remember, the availability of elective courses depends on manpower and various factors. In recent years, our teachers are devoted to developing teaching materials with the use of digital technology. For example, a series of tailor-made video clips will be used in our courses so as to enhance our student competitiveness in the job market. Besides, for better preparing our students for their practicum, we also offer training with the assistance of VR technology. If you would like to join our MSW program, please don't miss the important days. The application has already started at the end of September. The cutoff of the first round admission is December 1st, and the shortlisted candidates will be invited to attend an online interview between 4th and 7th of January. The final due date of applications is the 1st of March, and the second round admission interviews are arranged from 6th to 8th of April. All interviews will be conducted online in groups of 4 to 6 candidates. We will send an invitation letter to all shortlisted candidates for the detailed arrangements. You have to make your application through online and upload the necessary documents. For inquiries, please contact our colleagues through the designated email address and hotline. You are welcome to download our program leaflet for reading. I want to thank you for joining, and I really hope you consider studying our Master of Social Work program. I look forward to seeing you in the near future. I hope you also think about what you can do to contribute to our social work profession in the future. Thank you very much.